Meaning of hyperactive.
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 Hyperactive. Hyperactive refers to a state of excessive activity, energy, or restlessness, often accompanied by impulsivity and an inability to concentrate. Someone who is hyperactive may exhibit behaviors such as fidgeting, pacing, talking excessively, and interrupting others. This term is commonly used to describe children with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, but it can also be applied to adults. The result of hyperactivity can vary depending on the situation and individual, but it may lead to difficulty completing tasks, strained relationships, and a general feeling of being overwhelmed. Proper diagnosis and treatment can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life.